So this is how I like to pick up wax when I'm doing eyebrows. I like to use a small stick. There are smaller ones, but this is the one that I like to use. Now I'm going to glide it across the top of my wax here, my nice warm wax. Clean off one side, clean off the other, and then the very tip, try to clean that off and wave it back and forth to cut the strings. You kind of want wax on one side. It doesn't have to be perfect, but a majority of it should be on one side. Always make sure your wax is stirred and you have that nice fresh wax on top, and then do it again, guys. See? Clean, clean, clean. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. Now, I'm not Picasso, but I tried my best to do some samples here. I also put what the brow shape is supposed to be like. Sharp angle should always get parallel strips. Once this dries, you take it off, and then you do the opposite strip parallel, and that's going to help keep the client's arch. The same thing with soft angle. Sometimes with soft angle, you definitely can just kind of go across doing one strip. Just be careful so you don't lose the arch. Don't get too close to the eyebrows. Rounded brows, guys, are another type of brow where you can just go straight across. If your client wanted to, get some soft angle or sharp angle brows, then you will start waxing them with a parallel pattern. And over time, you'll see that their arch gets higher and they get that shape they desire. Now, if you're scared to get close to the eyebrows, just start away from the brow. You see right here, and slowly make your way towards it. A majority of the time as a new waxer, doing eyebrows is going to be scary because it makes someone's face, so you don't want to mess up. So just better to be safe than sorry. If you have to do a majority of tweezing, that's what you have to do. S-shaped brows, I think we all panic when we see these brows because it's so hard to restore them or to change the shape, but just try your best, okay? Even if that means you have to tweeze. I hope this video helped you guys. I just wanted to show you guys how I picked up wax and just talk about the different shapes. Don't mind me, guys. I'm just acting a fool here at the end. Bye.